Number of degrees of freedom for plane mechanism. Degrees of freedom/mobility of a mechanism. The number of independent input parameters, or pair variables, that are needed to determine the position of all the links of the mechanism with respect to the fixed link is termed its degrees of freedom. Degrees of freedom is the number of independent coordinates required to describe the position of a body in space. A free body in space can have 6 degrees of freedom. That is, linear positions along x, y, and z axes and rotational/angular positions with respect to x, y and z axes. In a kinematic pair, depending on the constraints imposed on the motion, the links may lose some of the 6 degrees of freedom. Planar mechanisms. When all the links of a mechanism have plane motion, it is called as a planar mechanism. All the links in a planar mechanism move in planes parallel to the reference plane. Serial mechanisms, manipulators. Early manipulators were work-holding devices in manufacturing operations so that the workpiece could be manipulated or brought to different orientations with respect to the tool head. Welding robots of the auto industry and assembly robots of IC manufacture are examples.